This Remax Select property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Brand new, 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, energy efficient, open floor plan, stainless appliances and granite in kitchens and baths, washer and dryer include, blinds installed, neutral decorator colors, family area on upper level, rear patio, sodded and beautifully landscaped yard, community playground, small town living with convenience to all Shelby has to offer. Simply a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.